Hello. Welcome. Today I have a new question for you, and it is by Majesty Ashiampong. And she's saying, YouTube girlies, what is your best advice for someone just getting started with content creation on YouTube? I hear thumbnails are so important. I also hear timestamps are essential. What other pro tips can you share? So I can already see the overwhelm happening in the question. It's just getting started with content creation and thinking about timestamps and thumbnails, kind of random. So let's start from the beginning. So when you're just getting started with content creation, then where should the focus be? I would say 99% of your focus needs to be on the topic. What content are you actually going to create and why? Why are you talking about this specific thing? And let's break that down. So how do you choose a topic that you're excited about, that your audience wants to watch, right? So that's the game you want to play, something that fires you up and something that people would also like to watch. So how do you do that? So first of all, think about from your perspective. Okay, the topics that you could talk about have to come from a place of integrity. Like they have to come from a place where, okay, I've been there, done that, or I'm doing it right now, so therefore I want to talk about this. Your topics cannot come from a place of inauthenticity where you're giving advice on things that you haven't actually gotten any experience in. So let's say you want to make a video about how to start a YouTube channel, but you've never done one before. You can't exactly go on and start talking about how to get, 20,000 views on your video. That's not a topic that people will associate you having credibility in because you haven't done it yet. So the way to do that would be, hey, I'm starting a YouTube channel and here's what I'm learning. So you'll be documenting your journey and that will be more authentic. Okay. So first of all, you have to think about, what do you have experience in? What are you qualified in? What can you give advice in? What are you an expert in? What do you have a lot to say? And what are you passionate about? Once you have narrowed down a couple of ideas there and some choices, then you want to think about, okay, from the audience's perspective, what is actually getting views on YouTube? So you want to look at channels. Let's say you identify, I want to talk about my fitness journey, right? And so you want to look at, okay, what kind of channels, what kind of topics are they doing around fitness? What are the gaps in the market? What are they not doing, or what are they not doing in the way that I would want to do it? Or where are the gaps where you feel like, oh, well, all of these people are a certain demographic and I'm different, so I can bring in my perspective from my age or my demographic, right? So you want to find the gaps of what already exists on YouTube and where your content might fit in. So really it's all about your USP. What is your unique strength? What is your unique perspective? What is your unique take? What is the unique thing that you're going to bring to the topic? So the topic itself doesn't need to be unique. Your way of talking about it or showing about it needs to be something that is going to be yours, and that's also going to make it really hard for other people to copy it, right? Because that's what people think, oh, somebody's going to steal my idea. Well, they can't steal you. You are unique. So as you get started with content creation, that is, I think, the number one thing that you should be thinking. And everything else is going to follow from that. So thumbnails are going to follow from the topic, your timestamps and all of that other stuff, all that optimization, figuring out what your titles are. Everything is going to come from the topic. I actually call it the 3 T's: your topic, your title, and your thumbnail. I'll put a link down to a free training that I have, which is going to walk you through the first 10 videos that you should get started with on YouTube. Go and watch that next. I'll put that down. And if you would like me to answer one of your questions, then use either the QR code or the link in the description to ask me a question. And I will be here hopefully answering the questions you send me. I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.